latest project. Got a couple months time in on it. My younger brother helped me with this. He had it under a carport. Been sitting for a good while. Had a few problems, mostly caused from sitting up, but the battery rack rusted out. Batteries fell through the bottom. Needed batteries, and the brakes give me a problem. They locked up on it. Had to fiddle with that a bunch to get the brakes functional, but that's going now. The safety features on the regenerative braking keeps it from running away if you park it and forget to set the brake. It started working all by itself. It didn't work for a good while, but something happened and it started working correctly. Cleaned up pretty good. Put the mirrors on it. Mother picked those up. It's great for hauling old bones around dirt water. I'll do more updates later. Sorry I didn't get video of the fixing up, repairs and everything. Anyway, more later.